Hi, in this video we are going to discuss why technical analysis is not just enough to be a successful trader. So in this video I'm going to explain entirely what should be the perception of a trader and why you need to do not rely on the technical analysis itself. So in this video, I am going to explain you technical analysis is just a single small part, and relying on the technical analysis completely, you'll end up making losses. So if you think technical analysis everything, then why not all the traders make money? So that is a question. So in this video, I'll completely explain you. So stay tuned till the end. So let me show you why technical analysis is not everything. So let me take you back text the data. So if you look at this, I have drawn one resistance somewhere here and the support. So if you look at the support and resistance, what most of the technical analysts or who set up the technical charts, they take usually when the resistance hits and when the slightly goes above, then they will take a buy call option, and when support breaks, then they take a buy put option. So what happens somewhere here? So if you look at this, if you bought exactly somewhere here, call option, the market slightly went up and again it took reversal. So what is the logic behind that? So is this a technical analysis helps you every time? No, it won't help. Not every time. So it may sometimes works like this. So if this resistance breaks, then we can see the momentum. But what most of the times it won't, because there are key things we need to look for that. So that is one, technical analysis, of course, which you set up by drawing these support and resistance lines. Secondly, you need to know the things in the global indices, like, let's see, so what is going in the global trends and the especially US markets, because if the US markets are in negative, then it will definitely impact the Indian indices as well. So it is quite important to know the fundamentals apart from the technical analysis. So if, let's say, why this is not break out somewhere here, because there could be a not strong global trends, or the option chain, most of the sellers writing strongly somewhere here, somewhere most of the sellers written 43,600 somewhere here, because they don't want to push the price higher. So that could be the reason, and the global trends are not positive, or there can be uh, some indications like quarterly results, maybe bank nifty. If you look at the bank nifty stocks, there are 12 stocks totally, all the banking stocks. So the company declared results, and the results are not as per expectation. Maybe that can be the reason for not breaking out, or there could be some events or news. So there are a lot of things apart from the technical analysis. So that's very important to know, because most of the traders only rely on the technical analysis and they end up losing money exactly waiting for the breakout, and that breakout is not always a strong breakout. It can be a reversal or it can be a fake breakouts. So always better to know the fundamentals, like what is the global trends are going on. Let's see. So this is US markets, which is very important. European markets we don't need to worry about it, but US markets reflects the Indian indices, and Asian markets we need to look. See, if you look at this, most of the Asian indices are in red except Nikkei, which is Japan index, but SGX Nifty is also negative. So, is this you need to analyze if the global trends are positive, and if you're looking for the breakout above the resistance levels, then you need to think, is this going to really a breakout or it's a fake breakout? Because global trends are in negative, so there are slightly a very less probability of hitting the or breaking the resistance, but not that with a huge momentum. So technical analysis, apart from that, you need to look the global trends, you need to look the option chain. So if you don't have any idea on the option chain how to look, then you can just google it out, then you will have a clear picture on how you go about option chain analysis, especially in the options trading. And apart from that, important is events, news, of course, drive the market, and company results. That's very important, because if the company results or stock results are positive, that will boost the market to the top level. Or if it is not as per expectation, then there will be a stock selling, which will directly impact the index. So that is the you need to consider while taking trades. And also in the technical analysis, don't put a lot of indicators. You don't need to put huge indicators like stochastic or RSI you can put, but not a lot of indicators. But I would suggest just draw support resistance lines, and if you want, you can put some moving averages. Apart from that, no need of any indicators. Indicators are not the sign of um, perfect uh, trading, or you can never ever get proper signals on indications, not accurately, not 100%. So if you see the back test here, also the resistance is not broken out like somewhere here. So because there is a logic behind, because global trends are not good, company results are not according to the according to expectation, or you need to know the economic calendars like inflation data, CPI data, manufacturing index data. These all things you need to see, and this is especially needed for the option buying, because if you are an option buyer, then there are high chances of fake breakouts or losing money. And most of the time, even after there is slightly rise above the resistance levels, still you don't make up profits. So option bias, that's a big disadvantage. And there is a probability of uh, making money in option buying is out of five, only one. And as well as if you look at the option sellers, out of five you can make four out of five. So that's a probability. So option buyers only need a strong momentum. So if you have like this momentum here, if you look at this, if you have a option, if you bought option bought somewhere, then market is doing reversal from here, then again, so you lost a lot of money over somewhere here. So so look globally, trend which is could be a positive, negative. You know the fundamentals before going a lot of technical, and that's most of the uh, top sellers or successful people say option or trading on technical analysis is not a good thing always. So you need to look almost all the things what is going in the background, like fundamentals, results, and lot of things. Okay, so this is what I want to convey in this video. And so whenever you wanted to, or whenever you are feeling you are losing all the trades, or you are not making money even after setting up the technical analysis. Just follow these steps, just follow what I have told you in the video, because that are the things which are actually working in the background, um, rather than only on the technical part. Thank you for the watching the video, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.